What is the passage primarily concerned with? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about capitalism and the idea that it didn't originate in the Enlightenment era. Then the second paragraph talks about how capitalism was developed in the Roman society. And the third paragraph talks about the differences and similarities between the two stories of how capitalism originated. So the primary purpose of the passage is to discuss the two stories of origin of capitalism and compare the two. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, differentiating between the two types of capitalism. The discussion related to the difference between the two is limited to the third paragraph, so it cannot be the primary concern in the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, evaluating the importance of capitalism in the growth of the Roman Empire. The passage talks about capitalism evolving in the Roman Empire, but it doesn't evaluate the importance of capitalism in that era. So this answer choice cannot be established. Let's eliminate it. Answer choice C, understanding the growth of capitalism in the modern world. The passage is concerned with the origin of capitalism and doesn't discuss the capitalism in the modern world. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, explaining the relationship between capitalism and socialism. The discussion related to socialism and capitalism is limited to the third paragraph and cannot be the primary concern. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, mentioning two narratives of the origins of capitalism and comparing them. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map, because the passage discusses the Enlightenment era origin of capitalism and the Roman origin of capitalism and discusses the differences and similarities between the two narratives. So this answer choice correctly captures the main idea in the passage. E is the correct answer.